Hi, I'm Brooke Schmidt, the Cowell Coffee Shop food supervisor. I work here at Cowell. We're here to address food insecurity on campus and provide the tools that students need to feed themselves and nourish themselves while they're here at UCSC. This week, we're doing a collaboration with the AARCC. We do a couple of these a quarter with different resource centers in an effort to lift culturally relevant foodways and show how they can connect to our local food system. We worked with an intern from the AARCC named Shay, and she put together a meal that you can pick here at the coffee shop. Inside your kit, you've got everything you need to make chili. You've got cooked cassifis Hooterite beans that are vac packed down for you. We've got our chili sauce with either meat or tempeh. Then you've got an onion, garlic, carrots, red bell pepper, and jalapeno, all to chop up and put inside of your chili mixture. You got your macaroni, your cream sauce, and your grated cheese. We've got collard greens grown here on campus, and a braising liquid that we put together to finish them in the pan and get some great flavor in there. And lastly, we made you a carrot spice cake with cream cheese frosting, all cooked and ready to go for you to enjoy for dessert. We know you don't always have a lot of time to make something from scratch, so that's why we par prep this for you so that you can have a wonderful home-cooked meal right at the tip of your fingers in no time at all. If you're interested in getting a kit or keeping track of our future meal kit collaborations, follow us on Instagram at Cowell Coffee Shop. And if you work with a resource center, feel free to reach out to me or one of the Cowell Coffee Shop student staff so that we can work with you. We're really excited to bring these culturally relevant foodways to campus and collaborate with all of the students to try to make every student feel represented in the food that we make at the cafe.